So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Firebase. This is the best free cursor alternative, so let's get started. So first of all you need to do is search on your search bar for aistudio.google.com and make sure you log in with your Google account. Okay, after that all you need to do is come here on build and describe your idea. I want a thumbnail generator for YouTube with prompts. And now we can supercharge our apps with AI, so I can click right here, generate images with a prompt. You can also use any of these if you want. I will hit here build and it will start building our app. Okay, if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab, and here are the results.